Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T30 Transporter Highline in the long wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The vehicle also comes with a DSG Automatic gearbox. This example is finished in the solid paint colour pure grey, and across the front of the vehicle it features LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also features a colour coordinated front bumper complete with front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the van sits on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design, and as we approach the rear of the vehicle it comes fitted with a tailgate without a window. The van also features a set of rear parking sensors along with mud flaps across all four wheels. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the load area of the vehicle, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Ply lining is available upon request, and access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab itself. Up in the cab or cockpit area, the driver's chair has 2 armrests and is accompanied by a twin-seater passenger bench. The van comes with an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system that also features this navigation with 3D maps. Located just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls. The van features 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning, and there is also a 12-volt and 2 USB-C outlets, handy for keeping those smart devices charged. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.